ये साल के लिए हमारी ऐसी शुभ संकल्प है, भावना है कि खुद में अथवा अपने अपने देश में हम शुभ राय देवे। होना तो 1 साल चाहिए, नहीं तो 6 मास के लिए राय है कि कुछ भी हो, हमें आतंकवाद अथवा कोई भी लड़ाई झगड़ा आपस का नहीं करेंगे।
हम आपस में,
हाँ,
ब्राह्मण परिवार में,
देश में भी
भी?
पहला हम ब्राह्मण खुद रखेंगे, फिर आपस में फैमिली, फिर अपने अपने समाज या देश में लड़ाई झगड़ा बंद कर आपस में ये वायदा करेंगे, हम पीस पीस।
Dadi's pure thought, Dadi's wish for the next year, whether it is for 1 year, even for 6 months, that each one of us must promise to ourselves that first of all, we will not have any form of fight or quarrel amongst ourselves within the Brahmin family. And secondly, we will not do that kind of an act within the community where we are living. And then we will also influence our country, where we live, to stop that kind of peaceless acts and then bring peace totally. So Dadi wants each one of us to make such a promise for ourselves, at least, for the next 6 months, if not 1 year. That is Dadi's pure wish.
We all are friends. We all are friends. ये अपना जो वास्तव में हम सभी भाई बहने सच्चे मित्र है, ऐसा व्यवहार आपस का रखेंगे।
And secondly, we are all brothers and sisters of one family. We are all friends to each other. So we promise to ourselves and each other that we will maintain this feeling of friendship between each other for the next whole year.
तीसरा, हम सबको ये राय देवे, स्वयं और दूसरों को भी, कि 1 साल पीस के पीछे हम प्यूरिटी का भी व्रत लेंगे।
And thirdly, we will promise to ourselves and we will encourage everyone else to make this promise that in order to bring peace in the world, we will also go on a fast of purity. We will take a pledge for total purity for ourselves and encourage others so that we can bring peace in the world.
Fourth, सभी को दुनिया में, अपने देश में सबको, हम 6 मास के लिए स्ट्रिक्ट वेजिटेरियन रहेंगे।
And fourthly, we will also encourage for ourselves and for everyone else in the world, including whatever community we are, to make them vegetarians at least for the next 6 months.
No smoking, no drinking, nothing.
No smoking, no drinking, no eating non-vegetarian food.
Fifth,
Number 5.
सबको रिक्वेस्ट करें कि डेली 1 आवर चाहे मेडिटेशन करे, चाहे प्रेयर करे, चाहे कोई सत्संग करे, परंतु 1 आवर अपने शिव बाबा के प्रति देवे।
And that is suggesting number 5, to request all people in the world, wherever we are, whichever country, community, to spare 1 hour to remember God, either in the form of prayer or meditation or attending spiritual gatherings. So ask them to make a promise to give this 1 hour for the cause of being close to God.
ऐसी दो और भी कोई राय हो निकालो। ऐसे क्या कहा जाता है, 8 का एक प्रोजेक्ट
8-point
चलाओ।
program. Daddy says you can also think of a few more points. This is 5 points. So you can create a 8-point program like this for the year